What is up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to find keywords related to specific holidays. So Helium10 recently launched a new tool, but it is only available in the Diamond plan, but I do have a special offer for you at the end of this video. But basically, it could show you any keywords that your own products rank for or other competitors rank for each month over the last 2 years. So why is this important? Because if you sell a seasonal product or you want to sell a seasonal product, you could find the keyword data for that specific seasonal product. Or if you have your own products that you sell and you want to see what you're ranking for organically, what people are typing in during a specific month, you could find those keywords and throw them into your own PPC campaigns. So we're going to get into Helium10. I'm going to show you an example of how to use this new tool, and let's dive into my computer right now so I could break it all down. So we are inside my computer. For this example, I'm going to type in wine bag, and let's say that we're going to sell a wine bag on Amazon, or we want to see what keywords wine bags rank for during the holidays. So I typed in wine bag, and then I'm going to go right here to Helium10 X-ray to pull up the overall data for this market. All right, now we're going to find a product to run in Cerebro. Again, this can work for any product, but I am going to use, let's say, this one, for example. It is a wine carry tote, and it might be related to certain holidays like Christmas. So you could actually plug this into Cerebro to see what keywords this seller gets for the holidays. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to hit this little checkbox, and we are going to run Cerebro. All right, now we're going to go right here. And if you don't see this, it's probably because you don't have Diamond. But if you have the Diamond plan, you will see right here, it says show historical trend. So now this is going to show you all of the keywords that this person is ranking for over the last 24 months. And I'm going to click this button right here. So now that it loaded, you're going to see this chart right here. And if you hover over it, you can see the organic keywords are in the orange and the sponsored are going to be in the purple. So organic means they are ranking for a specific position without running ads. And then obviously sponsored is what their rank is or where their position is on Amazon for that sponsored keyword. So let's go to December. December, we all know, is the holidays, Christmas season. So if we want to see what keywords they got sales for in December, all we do is click on that month, and then it's going to highlight to a different color, and then we're going to go down here and we're going to hit apply filters. All right, so now we can see all the historical data for December of 2021, and these are going to show you keywords probably related to the holidays like Christmas. So we're going to go down here and see what we could see. So for example, most of the year we would not think about this keyword right here, Secret Santa. 9,774 people searched for that keyword in the month of December. So that is how you could find seasonal keywords that are related to your product. And during the holidays, you might be able to use some of these keywords as a holiday campaign because a lot of people type in different keywords for specific holidays that might bring sales to your product. Another keyword that popped up, it has low volume, but champagne bottle, Christmas champagne bottle cover. So again, that's another keyword related to the holidays, but you get the point. You're going to go through here and see all the keywords that those sellers are getting sales from, or you could use this tool for your own products to see what keywords you rank for each month during the last 2 years. So it really narrows down the keywords, and you could use those keywords in your own PPC campaigns, and hopefully it adds to your sales. But that's going to do it for this video. Again, grab that discount down below, but I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.